The DCS Cook Tool Set. Today we're going to have a look at this DCS Cook Tool Set. These DCS Cook Tools feature high-grade stainless steel spatula, tongs, and fork. All are constructed with a dark walnut handle and brass rivet. They're really well made. They feel really good in your hands, nice and heavy. For any DCS outdoor enthusiasts, this set makes a real nice gift. You can purchase all 3 tools together or the spatula and tongs separately. The DCS tool set can be found at grillpartsexpress.com. Save 5% off your next order using the coupon code listed on screen.